Hi everyone, I hope everybody is fine. So today I am trying to make a video. I did not make a video for a long time, and I really don't that much into teaching. So yeah, so let's tell about one thing first. So what is the purpose of the video? So we want to calculate the measurement parameters from the confusion matrix. Usually we do it, but what about the reverse engineering case? So what is the reverse engineering case? Basically, suppose from office or from anywhere or from your own purpose you got some project, so there you train and test your model and you calculated your confusion matrix, and for your measurement parameter you probably take the precision score. You forget to take the recall and F1 score from there. So now what will you do? Or you did not even calculate the total accuracy. So you did not save the model as well, only you save the confusion matrix. After 2-3 weeks later or after some day, you need to calculate, you need to know like what is the misclass percentage, or what is the F1 score, what is the recall score. So how will you calculate that from the confusion matrix, right? So if you search into the Wikipedia, you will get like the precision and recall score details over here, but for two class classification, binary class classification, sometimes it is very easy to calculate, but when there are a lot of classes, like 5 classes, 6 classes, suppose in this diagram we have only 3 classes, but if whatever the 5 classes are there, so in that case what will you do? It will be very time consuming and hectic. Sometimes we don't know what to do. So I will not cover the basic, what is like the precision and what is the recall score, because lot of good resources into the YouTube, especially the first name I will tell about the StatQuest, Professor Josh Stormer. So from there you can go and you will see his videos are really good, and Krish Nayak is also good, I believe, and a lot of people are doing the good things. Okay, so I mentioned a few, thanks to them. For them I understood this concept. So now, so here you see into the confusion matrix, the true level are onto the x-axis and predicted level are onto the y-axis. So actually MATLAB formation is like this. So precision score is true positive by true positive plus false positive, and recall is true positive by true positive plus false negative. MATLAB organize the confusion matrix in this way. But what if you are into the Python? So Python actually true level is getting into the y-axis and predicted level is getting into the x-axis. So it actually like we just rotate the matrix right here. So when you calculate the confusion matrix, when you see the confusion matrix, please make sure you are very much sure about like where your predicted level is, where your true level is, about these things. Okay, so suppose somebody came to you and give you this confusion matrix. So from here you know this is the predicted level and this is the true level. So this is the predicted row of normal conditions. So from here what we see, we have total 49 samples. Okay, so from 40 samples, 48 are predicted correctly as normal condition, 1 predicted as the micro condition, and no one is predicted as the macro condition as well here. So this is your predicted row. So we start the code. So please make sure you install all the libraries, and I assume like you guys are habituated with the Python environment, so I'm not describing into these things. So I run this one, and here CC is the confusion matrix, right? So here I put this predicted row of the normal condition plus 4810. So we are giving the sample now 4810, and then 28624 for micro condition, and the third is macro condition 436 So I put this. Now the level, the first one we put as normal, so we put normal, then micro, then macro. So here we put 3x3 matrix, but you can put n by n, where n should start from 2 because binary class classification to your desired number. So okay, done. Now we'll go for the score calculation. So we'll do the recall score calculation now. I'm not going into the mathematical details. Lot of YouTube videos are there. Please search by yourself and try to study, and if in the future I get time, I will try to cover those as well. So now we will calculate the mean of the recall score. So here you will get the mean of the recall score. So from when you calculate the recall score, the first value is belong to normal class, the second value is belong to micro class, and the third one belong to macro class, right? So if you want the percentage of that, so just multiply into 100 with this, so you will get it. So this is the precision score. Similarly, the precision score, and then now you're going for F1 score, and that mean of F4 score we also calculate. Now suppose your confusion matrix does not look so good, you want like this way. A lot of libraries are there, a lot of techniques are there. So you want like the color bar as well as this weighted level. In the bottom it is written accuracy, how much, which class is how much, this type of thing. So with this function you can really do that. You can just little bit debug. I will also put the description of the link of the GitHub with this code as well. So here plot confusion matrix function, you see CM means the confusion matrix you need to pass. So CM equal to CC, normalize false. So you do not want to normalize, and target names. What are the level names? With this you will get these levels. So if your level is cat, dog and monkey, you should pass the cat, dog and monkey. So you already wrote the levels over here, right? So yeah, we wrote it, and then when we run it like this, the confusion matrix you will get, and this will also be saved into your directory, the code directory, as a PDF file. So you can also grab your confusion matrix from there. Nowadays into the GitHub, one problem especially today I noticed, like I am not actually finding out the Python notebook is loading nicely. So if I log into my GitHub repository, so here suppose if I go to this project, you see the Jupyter notebook actually is broken. I mean not loading perfectly. So what that reason you will do, go to the NB viewer, this here, and just copy this link from here, paste it over here, and just boom, go. So if you go there, you will see this is loading now perfectly. So I will now upload this source code for the betterment of you guys. And if you feel this video is helpful, please like and comment and share with your friends. Also, if you think you want to subscribe, please subscribe. But I'm not sure when I will come back for more videos like this. But till then, stay safe, keep in my prayer, and be sure to be safe for coronavirus. Thank you.